Hey YouTube, good morning. So welcome back to another video, and I don't have a lot of time today. I am going to attempt to put together the box on the trailer. It's going to be, for now, it's just going to be a utility trailer where we're going to just load stuff up and use it to move. Today is Thursday, it's the weekend. Next week we gotta start moving stuff out of here. We don't have a lot of time. We gotta be out of here by the 1st, so hopefully we'll be able to start moving stuff before the 1st, so we won't have stress. And I got here a pile of lumber that I am going to turn into this utility trailer. You can see this is 10-foot lumber, and the trailer is over there. It's painted. It has no lights yet. I have messed around with the lights all morning. I started messing around with this at 7 o'clock this morning, and after like 2 hours of messing around with the lights, I discovered that it was a waste of time because Amazon has a light kit for 15 bucks. So yeah, I ordered those lights. They're gonna be here tomorrow, and I'll put those lights up. For today, I am gonna turn that lumber over there is going to become a frame for a platform and a box on this trailer. Now, another little update that I have. So if you've been watching my videos, they always appear incomplete, and the reason for that is because every time I shoot, I just put the camera and let it run for a few hours while I'm working on stuff. Well, the problem with that is battery gets depleted fairly quickly when you're filming, especially if it's on a Note 3 phone that has a terrible battery from almost a decade ago. That's number one. Number two is your storage space. So I solved the battery problem. I got a couple of battery packs a few days ago, and those are working great. The device lasts a lot longer. You're able to capture more video, but then there's the storage problem. So I have ordered a memory card last night. It should be here today. It's a 256 gig memory card. Should be enough for a lot of video. So anyway, I will let the camera roll. I'll get started. I got lots to do, and I'll let you guys hang out and watch while I'm working on this. And if it drops, it drops. If it doesn't, great. If the memory card gets here before storage space ends, that's even better. I'll install it, continue shooting. Anyhow, you guys have fun watching and enjoy. I will not be chatting too much today because I really don't have the time. I need to get this trailer ready and rolling. Okay folks, I'm pissed. So the camera quit working, I had no idea. And this is like 6 hours later. This is what I got done. Platform is complete, or the basis to the platform is complete. I am going to put 3 uprights. I don't really care that they're slightly crooked. Nobody's gonna see them. These 3 uprights are gonna support the side walls of this trailer. At the moment it's gonna be a utility trailer. Later I'll figure it out if I want to modify it to something else, but at the moment it's a utility trailer, so I don't really care how it looks like as long as it holds stuff. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work. You guys have fun and enjoy watching whatever's left of the work day, which is not a lot. I'm gonna probably finish these uprights and be done with it. Guess what? The SD card is here. So, it just got here. I need to format it. I'll do that later. But, tomorrow, you guys are gonna get full day videos. Looking for a quick method to hold screws. Water bottles, Coke bottles, they're awesome. Okay. So, if anyone's interested to take a quick look, I'll take you on a quick tour. So, trailer, elevated it. You remember those videos, right? This is 1 foot apart, or 35 centimeters apart between each beam. That's a good number for a floor, especially if you don't do blocking, and obviously it's not a living space, so there is no blocking. All this was completed in approximately 9 hours of work. I got lucky because I didn't have to cut a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff was pretty much sized the way it was sized, and I used set materials to build this. Why did I build this? Well, we're moving. Having a trailer with a box on it would do a lot of good when you're moving. It's not ideal, but it will work for what we need it to work. Okay, so now it's time to clean up this mess. Thank God it's not a big mess. I'm just super tired. I don't have any energy to do anything. And that's pretty much it for this video. I do apologize about this morning, about not shooting the rest of it. I am just starting out. This is my 34th video, I believe. So this is just the beginning. I'm improving with every single day, and hopefully you guys like the videos. Please, if you do like the videos and you want to help, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and share it. That's all you guys need to do, and it's all free. Doesn't take any effort from your end. Alright folks, you have a wonderful day. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening, wherever you guys are. And don't forget, subscribe, like, share, do all that stuff. Thank you very much. Have a good night. See you on the next one.